trigonometric functions. Okay, so in that we have learned what formulas. Most of the students know that what are the formulas means trigonometry formula used to say. Usually used to say that only trigonometry formula. These all the formulas are called sum and difference of the trigonometric functions of the two angles. Okay, so let us see here. Once all the formulas I am going to write on the board, then after I will ask you some questions to you, which already we have proved it. In the previous classes we already proved it. Okay, so the first proof is, which one we have learned? Cos x plus y we have learned, but let us start writing from the sin x plus y. Sin x plus y is equals to sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Second one, sin x minus y is equals to sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. Third one is cos x plus y is equals to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Is it audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So here,
Yes, sir.
so next one is cos x minus y is equals to cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. Along with this, you can create the new formulas. So creating is nothing but here you can write sum of these two, and difference of these two, difference of these two. In sin x plus y plus sin x minus y. So when you add these two will get cancelled, and you are going to get 2 sin x cos y. 2 sin x cos y. From that only you are going to get the remaining sin c plus sin d. I told you yesterday in the yesterday's class. Okay. So if you want, you can write that one also, because from these only you are going to get that. So you can write here sin x plus y plus sin x minus y. If you add these two will get cancelled. So you are going to get 2 sin x cos y. The next one is sin x plus y minus sin x minus y. So if you subtract these two, the first one will get cancelled and a plus हो जाएगा. This you are going to get the plus. So 2 cos x sin y. You are going to get 2 cos x sin y. So next one is cos x plus y plus cos x minus y. Cos x plus y plus cos x minus y. That is nothing but ये दोनों को सर cos x plus y plus cos x minus y. So ये दोनों का ऐड करना है. Second one will get cancelled. So what do you get here? 2 cos x cos y you are going to get. Next, 8th one. Cos x plus y minus cos x minus y is equals to, what do you get? Can you say? Anyone?
Yes, sir. Sir, 2 cos x cos y.
दिखाई नहीं दे रहा, sir.
ये already 2 cos x cos y प्लस में आएगा. I am asking minus.
Sir, minus and number 8 करना.
If you subtract these two, this one minus this one.
Sir, minus 2 sin x
Minus
sin y.
2 sin x sin y.
2 sin x sin y. And here sometimes I will ask you the question also. Do remember this one. थोड़ा सा ध्यान में रखना है. इसके साथ और एक ये भी नहीं. Cos x minus y minus cos x plus y. Cos x minus y minus cos x plus y.
The now minus will be not there. 2
sin x y sin x sin y you are going plus 2 sin x.
सर ऐसे हो सकता है क्या?
उधर
अगर हम x प्लस को c पकड़ ले और x माइनस y को d पकड़ ले तो?
What we Prajit?
Sir, I am saying that if we take x plus y as a whole c angle and x minus y as a whole d angle, then by the formula cos c minus cos d.
Yes, we are going to get that one only, but you should be ready to say this one also. I am saying it. So these are all the addition, means sum and difference of the angles. Now we are going to take the multiple angles. Actually, usually we call them as multiple angles. What are the multiple angles? Sin 2x. Sin 2x can be written as 2 sin x cos x. Or you can write it as a 2 tan x by 1 plus tan square x. 1 plus tan square x. This is sin 2x. Okay? The second one is cos 2x. If you take it to consider, this can be written as cos square x minus sin square x. Or you can write it as a 1 minus 2 sin square x. Or you can write it as a 2 cos square x minus 1. Or you can write it as a 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x. These are the different ways you are having. Cos 2x. The third one is tan 2x. Tan 2x is equals to 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. Or you can, this if you want, this one divided by this one divided by this one you do. Sin 2x 2 tan x. This one divided by this one you do. 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x you do. Then we are going to get this one only. Tan 2x formula. Is it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is tan 2x. Next, multiple angles with 3x we are also having. This is sin, cos, and tan. In the same way, 3x you are going to have the main things I am explaining to you firstly. So next one is sin 3x. Sin 3x is equals to 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Fifth one is cos 3x is equals to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Sixth one, tan 3x is equals to, what do we call all this? Multiple angles. These also can be considered as a sum and difference of the angles under that one only. But we call these are all sum and difference of the angles, and these are all multiple angles. Multiple means double, triple, yeah, sin 2x, cos 2x, like that. And every proof already I have explained to you in the previous class. How do we prove it? And I told you, so tan 3x is equals to 3 tan x minus tan cube x by 1 minus 3 tan square x. Isn't it? Okay. Is anything wrong? Is it audible to you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So no response from you then? Why there is no response?
Sir.
No, when I asked you that there is no response from you, what I am saying?
Sir, I respond, but I think maybe there is signal problem from my side, so it reached late to you.
Oh, okay. Next, along with this, we are going to have the conversion of the sum of the angles to the product form. That is only from these only you are going to get. Is it visible to you? This term? Yes, visible. From here only, sin C plus sin D. Because to avoid the confusion, I am saying to you C and D. Either you can take the any other angle also. Does that matter? X Y also you can take here. X Y
Sir,
delay.
2 sin d by 2 cos d minus d by 2.
What?
Sir, sin c plus sin d formula.
Uh,
2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2.
yes, x क्या होगा c plus d by 2 होगा, y c minus d by 2 होगा. So 2 sin c plus d by 2 and cos c minus d by 2. I think you can write it. Next, sin c minus sin d means 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. Cos c plus cos d means 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Cos c minus cos d is equals to minus.
Sir, background blurred.
Yes.
Sir, background, sir, board is not visible, sir.
The board is seems to be blurred, sir.
Sir, completely blur.
So your voice is not also coming, and the board is blurred, sir.
Voice is also cracking. Now also it is not audible to you.
Yes, sir, audible, but sir, board is not visible, sir. Now.
Wait, I will try. It is showing to be very clearly to me, but not clear to you.
Yes, sir. Not clear.
Not visible.
Not visible, sir.
Yes, sir. Not visible, sir.
Sir, I think we have to continue for sir, with the mobile one.
Okay, I see. I'll try. Okay. So here it is not visible means it is okay. Just I'll try to ask you some questions and you try to give a response to me. Because yesterday I told you obviously to read the formulas. Formulas पढ़ने के लिए बोला, isn't it? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Can you
Yes,
hear?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It is audible to you now.
Yes, sir. Audible.
Yes, sir.
So here I'm going to ask you one by one all these formulas should be in your tip of the tongue every time. See here, I am very selfish. I'm very selfish because that's why I wrote on the board. If I'll get practice one more time. How many of you have written all these identities at least 5 times till now? Did anyone have written all these formulas at least 5 times till now? Is my question.
Sir, one time.
Yes, sir.
See here, if you only thing is that if you write, repeatedly, only then it is possible to you to learn more. Okay? So did you get the point? समझ में आ रहा है? अभी भी नहीं दिख रहा है बोर्ड?
No, sir. No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, don't worry. I'll go for the while explaining. I'll go for the presentation, and I told you that I will ask you some all these formulas also. Who will tell? At least anyone has you practiced? Because yesterday if you practiced all these identities well.
Sir, me,
I
sir.
told you in the last 5 minutes में ये सारा formulas without a break I told you. In that way, if anyone is ready to say, then I welcome you.
Sir, me, sir.
Viprajit.
Yes, sir.
आपका कैमरा ऑन करो because I should see that you are not seeing the textbook or anywhere else. मोबाइल का कैमरा ऑन करके फेस दिखाओ. Just show you.
सर कर दिया ऑन.
But कुछ नहीं आ रहा है.
सर दिखाई दे रहा है.
No, not visible. Okay, no problem होगा. Yes, start doing. I believe you. Don't worry.
सर मैंने तो ऑन कर दिया है.
Okay, you
मेरा
start playing.
सर which one?
Told you in all. All at a stretch you need to say.
Oh, okay, sir.
One
So
by one.
from sir, I have not practiced with x plus y. I have learned it, sir, with a plus b angle.
I will adjust. No problem.
Okay, sir. Then I will continue. Uh, Sine a plus b equal to sine a cos b plus cos a sin b. Sine a minus b, sine a cos b minus cos a sin b.
Very good.
Cos a plus b, cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Cos a minus b, cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Tan a plus b, tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. Tan a minus b, tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. उसके बाद cot a plus b equal to cot a cot b minus cot b plus cos a. Cot a minus b, cos a cot b plus 1 by cos b minus cot a. Uh, 2 sin a cos b equal to sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. 2 cos a sin b equal to sin a plus b minus sin a minus b. 2 cos a cos b equal to cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. Then sir, 2 sin a sin b equal to cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. Sin c plus sin d equal to 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos
Now
c
what?
minus d by 2.
Wait. Viprajit. Now whatever you said, A and B together, that is C and D only, na? Both are same only. Okay, you continue.
Okay, sir. Sin c minus sin d equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. Cos c plus cos d equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. 2 cos c minus cos d. Sorry, sir. Cos c minus cos d equal to 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin d minus c by 2.
Yes.
Sin 2x equal to 2 sin x cos x, और एक और है सर 2 tan x by 1 plus tan square x. उसके बाद सर हाँ cos 2x equal to
Wait, Viprajit. Please.
yes sir.
Others also have to listen only, not only me. And you have to identify if he say any mistake. At last, not now. See here, this is just like an activity you need to do. What you have to do? He is saying, and others are just sleeping. It's not like that.
Okay
You are
sir.
doing like that, it is not correct. Others, please try to listen properly. Whether he is saying properly or not, you have to identify. Whether he is saying properly or not, you have to identify. Just
तो
continue.
मतलब कोई और बोलेगा मुझे देखना है कि वो सही बोल रहा है क्या.
Ah, yes.
अच्छा सर ठीक है.
Okay. Continue.
हेलो सर.
Multiple angles बोलो.
तो मतलब sin 2x cos 2x वो सब.
Yes.
Sin 2x equal to 2 tan x by 1 plus tan square x. Cos 2x equal to 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x. Sin 3x equal to 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Cos 3x equal to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Tan 3x equal to 3 tan x minus tan cube x by 1 minus 3 tan square x.
हो गया?
हाँ सर.
सारा हो गया?
हाँ सर.
Cos X can be said in terms of cos, in terms of sin, in terms of
तो
sin.
एक रह गया था सर. सॉरी. tan 2x equal to 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x.
Cos 2x.
Cos
Cos 2x.
cos 2x 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x.
In terms of sin, I'm
Hello.
in terms of sin.
In terms of sin. सर करके बताना पड़ेगा।
हाँ,
सर करके बताता हूँ सर।
करके नहीं, yesterday I told we have discussed that one also.
ओ
We have
ओके
discussed
सर।
that one also. Do you remember? याद है? Anyone? That's enough. Off the mic. Off the mic. Rajit.
यस सर।
Okay. Still anyone else? Still anyone else? Like that? No one in the class? No one in the class? Okay, Viprajit. Very good. Keep it up, and everyone should be like that. How he said. The same way, everyone. I'll give the time to you, and I'll ask you some questions also. Now is audible to you?
यस सर।
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Sin 3x.
Yes, sir.
Sin 3x formula.
Sin 3x. 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x.
Very good. Shall we on the formula?
सर सब नहीं सीखा सर, थोड़ा थोड़ा सीखा सर, कल पढ़ रहा था अभी सर, और थोड़ा टाइम चाहिए फिर बोल दूंगा।
और थोड़ा टाइम चाहिए तो yes, you tell me that when you will be ready for the quiz, a competition the girls versus boys. Many girls, all the girls will be together, all the boys will be together, and different way I will conduct the quiz on these formulas. So you well prepare, and one day I will ask you the questions to you to write in a proper way. Means to say this like this, you have to ready to say.
Sir, mine is big.
Sir, tap on the pencil button, sir.
What?
Sir, tap on the pencil button.
Yes, 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 sir. Okay, okay. That's okay. You tell me now. Okay. Need some time. Need some time.
Yes, sir. I think you are saying.
Oh, that's okay. That's okay. So you take your own time and well prepared. One day I conduct you just like it is. And let us start now. Exercise 3.3. 3.3. Let us start now. Okay. Shall we? (3.3) start करेंगे?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we start the exercise 3.3. Wait, I will open the textbook. Okay. So the exercise 3.3. First problem here it is given to you. Sin square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4. Is it visible to you? The presentation is visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sin square pi by 6. What is a pi by 6? Lick me.
Yes, sir.
Pi by 6 बोले तो इस angle in angle pi
30 degree.
30 degrees. Yes. Pi by 3 is nothing but 60 degrees.
60 degrees.
Pi by 4 is nothing but
45 degrees.
45 degrees.
yes. So sine here these values just you have to substitute. These are all the very simple problems and easily you can do it. It's not very difficult to do. So I think so you can do it. The one problem I'll explain to you. Sine pi by 6 is nothing but 1 by 2. Sine pi by 6 value 1 by 2. 1 by 2 whole square plus cos pi by 3. Cos pi by 3 value
60.
Sir, 6.
cos pi by 3 value I am asking. You give the answer in a proper way. Cos pi by 3 value.
Sir, 1 by 2. Sir, 1 by 2.
Is also 1 by 2. 1 by 2 whole square minus tan pi by 4 value
1.
Sir, 1. 1.
1. So 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4 and this is 1 by 4 and this is here minus 1. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 2 by 4, that is nothing but 1 by 2. 1 by 2 minus 1 is equals to minus 1 by 2. The value is minus 1 by 2. Okay. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
समझ में आया ना? So
Yes,
like
sir.
second, third, fourth problems, all just values you need to substitute only. So 3 pi by 4 is nothing but, in the fourth problem it is given to 3 pi by 4. What's the value of 3 pi by 4 you have to see? 2 sine square 3 pi by 4 as 2 cos square pi by 4 plus 2 secant square pi by 3. Its value is equals to 10 prove karna. Isn't it? The value is equals to 10 you need to prove. It is given to you to prove that one. So what is the value of sine 3 pi by 4? First sine 3 pi by 4 value you need to extract. So directly you may not know that one. Sine 3 pi by 4 can be written as sine. What can you write? This can be written as sine pi minus pi by 4. 3 pi by 4. So sine pi minus pi by 4 means where it will be, in which quadrant? Pi minus pi by 4, pi minus theta. Pi minus theta is in second quadrant. In the second quadrant, so you are going to get this value is equals to sine pi by 4 only. Second quadrant, you are going to have the sine positive. Sine positive hoga. So positive hoga bolo to this value you are going to get sine pi by 4. So sine pi by 4, pi by 4 value is equal to 1. So here this is equal to 1 square plus, sorry, 1 by root 2. Sine pi by 4 value 1 by root 2 hai na? 1 by root 2. Pi by 4 is nothing but 45 degrees. So 1 by root 2 whole square. Cos pi by 4 is also 1 by root 2. So 2 into 1 by root 2 whole square plus.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I face little bit difficulties in, sir, just splitting them. For example, 3 pi by 2.
3 pi by 4 whenever it is given to you, how do you know that it should be written as a pi minus pi by 4 is your doubt?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Through the practice you are going to get that one. That's all. Otherwise here, better you see here, you have to see that in what combinations you are going to, pi minus, 2 pi minus, combinations में किधर आ जाएगा. Otherwise, either plus or minus better you take into consider. So 3 pi by 4 value is equals to 130 degrees. If you get confused, 3 pi by 4 value can be find out in another way also. So if you see here, sine 3 pi by 4 is nothing but, you can write it as a, I think the problem can be solved. Let me explain the complete problem, then after I will go further. Secant pi by 3 value, 2. Secant pi by 3, 2 square. So 2 into, this is 1 by 2, plus 2 into 1 by 2, plus 2 into 4. So this is 1 plus 1 plus 8, then after is equal to 10. Okay. Now let us move to that. You are getting a doubt that how do we, sir, sine 3 pi by 4 value, how do we write? As if you want, you can write in another way also. It is not mandatory that. Sine pi by 2 plus also you can write. See here, I'll explain. If you want here, this can be written as pi by 4 value is equal to 135 degrees. Pi by 4 value is 135 degrees. Sorry, pi by 4 is 45. 3 pi by 4 is nothing but 45 into 3. 45 into 3 is nothing but 135 degrees. It's 135 degrees. So sine 135 degrees if you are taking into consider, 135 can be written as 180 minus 45 you can write, 90 plus 45 also you can write. I am writing 90 plus 45. If you can write this, it's your choice.
Okay, sir.
Minus likhna chahte ho. If you want to convert here in this function, that's why you should be normally number 135 it is given, you will convert it easily. But 3 pi by 4 whenever it is given, you are not converting. So it is very simple task to you that pi minus 3 pi 2 pi minus 2 pi plus 5 plus. These combinations better you take always. So 90 plus 45 is nothing but 90 plus 45 is also second quadrant, but it is going to convert into the sine cos mein convert hota hai. So cos 45 degrees you are going to get. So which is equals to, that is also equals to 1 by root 2. समझ में आया अभिषेक?
Yes, sir. That we also convert to 180 minus 45.
Yes, that is obviously. It's not in a same only one way. There will be a multiple ways to do this.
Yes, sir.
Okay? समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Any more doubts?
I think it will be get more clear by practice.
Yes. Practice. Through practice and number of the problems, you see that it is easy to you. So the next question is given to you, sine 75 degrees. Sine 75 degrees. Sine 75 degrees is nothing but, which is equal to, you can write it as the combinations of the angles values which we know, that you write. You can write 60 plus 15 also. 15 degrees angle you don't know, sine 15. So what angles values we know, that angle values better you write. You can write this as the sum of the two angles.
So 45 plus 30.
45 plus 30.
30.
45 plus 30 you can write. So this is in the sum of sin x plus y. Sin x plus y is equals to, I have to write here, sin x plus y is equals to sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. Isn't it? This formula we are using here. So if you expand based on that, sin 45 degrees and cos 30 degrees minus cos 45 degrees sin 30 degrees. Okay. So now what you will get, sin 45 degrees value, it is 1 by root 2, and cos 30 degrees value root 3 by 2, cos 45 degrees value 1 by root 2, and sin 30 degrees value 1 by 2. Isn't it? It should better write here degrees. If not written degrees, what will happen? Radians ko radian ho gaye, then completely it is different. Isn't it? समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
अभी आपको
सर प्रेजेंटेशन बाद में आ रहा है, सर आपका वॉइस पहले आ रहा है.
हाँ?
प्रेजेंटेशन थोड़ा लेट आ रहा है और आपका वॉइस पहले आ रहा है.
Any problem?
Same here.
I'm thinking to be here like this on board. Board में थोड़ा सा easy होता है.
बट सर बोर्ड में ब्लर आ जाता है, बट यहाँ पर ब्लर नहीं आ रहा है, तो बाद में भी आ रहा है तो प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता है. बाद में
Okay. See, once you see the board आ रहे हैं नहीं आ रहे देखते. मुझे तो क्लियरली दिख रहा है. आई एम थिंकिंग इट इज क्लियर. नहीं है? पीछे दिख रहा है कुछ बोर्ड?
नो सर.
No.
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. So here the problem like this, the value we are going to get it as a is equals to root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. So the value of sine 75 degrees is root 3 minus 1 by 2. Okay. So like that here the question is asking to you, even you can find out the sine 75 degrees, cos 75 degrees, tan 75 degrees and 15 degrees are important in some other examinations also. Means in competitive examination the values better you remember.
Sir,
Like,
can you able to expand it?
what?
Sir, sorry, sir, can you able to split the 75 degree in any other way, sir? Any other combination?
Other
Except,
combination is nothing but.
so that is here we split the 75 into 50 degree, 45 degree plus 30 degree.
Yes. Your doubt, I know that. We know the values of 45 degrees angle and 30 degrees angle. We know the angles after 45 degrees because we are having already known angles what we have derived already: 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees. These are already we have well known. So with that combinations better you take. You can write even 25 degrees 60 plus 50. If you write 60 plus 15 and expand like this using this form, 15 degrees you are going to get. But we don't know the value of 15 degrees first. समझ में आ रहा है ना?
Yes, sir.
So that's why we cannot take other combinations here. Well, the values of the angles which we know, that better you take. वो लेना है. समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
So here the textbook it is asking you to find out only sine 75. See here, if you are interested towards the math, textbook में क्या दे दिया सिर्फ वही नहीं करेगा. ओहो sin 75 ऐसा आएगा तो cos 75 क्या आएगा तो tan 75 भी आएगा. So all that you have to find out. That is only this is your interest, and you find out if you get any difficulty. You ask me. You ask me in the class or in the personally after the class also you can ask. So you try. So here next thing is given to you tan 15 degrees. So how do you write the tan 15 degrees in this only? The question is given to you tan 15 degrees. So this is equals to, this can be written as tan 45 minus 30. Sir, why do we take 45 and 30 only? Because we know the angles of 45 and 30. So this is equals to, you can write the formula is tan x plus, tan x minus y is equals to, any one of you, tan x minus y is equals to formula.
Sir, 10x minus 10y by 1 plus 10x 10y.
10x minus tan y by 1 plus tan x tan y. So here tan x minus y is equals to tan x minus tan y. Okay. So this you use. So tan 45 degrees minus 30 degrees if you are taking into consider. So tan 45 minus tan 30 by 1 minus 1 plus tan 45 tan 30 degrees. So tan 45 value 1. Tan 30 degrees value 1 by
1 by root 3.
yes, you all these values which should be on your tip of the tongue. So you are going to get it as root 3 minus 1 by root 3 by root 3 plus 1 by root 3. So root 3 will get cancelled. You are going to get root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. Okay? समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Like 15 degrees angles for sine, cos, all the angles you can find. It's not very difficult for you to do that. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Next, sixth problem. So like here all the problems you can try. you try the problems which are given to you in your textbook. All the problems which I'm going on explaining, it takes more time to you. You can do it. Just I will give the one hint to you. What is given here? Cos pi by 4 minus x. Cos pi by 4 minus y minus sin pi by 4 minus x. Sin pi by 4 minus y. So it is in what form? Cos x cos y, sin x sin y. Is it in that form? Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y is equals to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. So which is equals to yes, tell me. Cos x
cos
plus
x plus y, x plus y.
So it's here x में वो क्या है? In the place of x, by 4 minus x. Yes, pi by 4 minus y. So this can be written as cos pi by 4 plus pi by 4 minus of x plus y. Can we write like that? So which is equals to cos pi by 2 minus of x plus y. Cos pi by 2 of x plus y. Isn't it? Cos pi by 2 minus theta already sin theta. So this
Sin
is
theta.
equal to sin x plus y. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Just like I will give one way to you to show that. So I'm giving the chance to you people to solve the problems on your own. If you go on solving your problems on your own and different problems and different things, I will explain to you. So in this exercise, what are the problems are there, that are try. But don't think that different problems which is you found difficult to you to understand. Which you found difficult to you to understand, that problems you ask me in the next class. Did you get my? समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes, sir.
you try the problems and you may have next class also 9:30 only you may have. So that's why I'm leaving you a little bit 5 minutes early. Okay? Thanks for joining. You can leave.